Is your Samsung stuck on a white screen? In 60 seconds, I'll show step-by-step fixes you can try now. First, confirm it's a software issue by waking the phone and locking it once or twice. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. Hold power and volume down together for about 10 seconds until the device restarts. If the screen comes back, great. If it stays white, next try booting into safe mode. Step 2. Enter safe mode, power off, then power on, and hold volume down when the logo appears until safe mode shows. If the white screen disappears in safe mode, a recently installed app is likely the cause. Uninstall any recent apps now. Step 3. Wipe the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files without deleting your data. If that fails, back up your data immediately and consider a factory reset from recovery or settings. Also inspect the phone for physical damage. Check ports, screen edges, and remove the case to look for loose connectors. Advanced option. Reflash official firmware using Samsung Smart Switch or Odin on a PC. Only use official files and follow instructions carefully. If software and hardware checks don't help, contact Samsung Repair. Have serial, purchase date, and before/after photos ready. Quick troubleshooting checklist. Soft reset, safe mode, wipe cache, backup, factory reset, then repair service if needed.